Hi friends! So I have another activity for you today. It doesn't go along with a read aloud, but it is really fun. Okay? It is called laundry art. Okay? So I'll show you an example in a minute. We do have 3 different levels to make it more challenging for you. Okay? I do have some guidelines for you. Okay? Let's turn this camera around so you can. All right. So like I was saying, we are doing laundry art today, and we have 2 guidelines so that we can all stay out of trouble, okay? So you are going to need clothes for this, okay? Dirty clothes, clean clothes, I don't care. But if you're going to use someone else's clothes, you need to ask permission, right? Don't take other people's stuff without asking. Second of all, if you make a mess with this project, awesome. That sounds like fun, but you've got to clean it up, all right? For level 1. So level 1, it says create a self-portrait out of clothes. So what's a self-portrait?
Self-portrait, Hef. He says a self-portrait is a picture of the artist.
Okay, friends, so you got to make a picture of you out of clothes. Let's give it a try. So as you can see, it took some trial by error. There is my finished product. It was lots of fun. And I also have here a picture for you made by another art teacher. Pretty cool with all those gray and black colors. And be sure to check out the other videos for levels 2 and 3.